saw a cat sitting in a tree. The cat looked down and smiled at me. We found a kite up in the sky. The kite flew gently way up high. She opened a door and stepped inside. The door swung slowly open wide. He rode a bike along the lane. The bike went ringing down the